To fix third-party overlays not appearing in OBS or StreamLabs. And if you've been struggling with this, you're not alone. Many users face this problem because OBS and StreamLabs sometimes block overlays due to permission or compatibility issues. And most tutorials online are long, confusing, and full of steps that don't work for everyone. But today on Rexist, I'll show you a secret easy trick that solves it in just a few clicks. All you need to do is adjust a simple setting that lets OBS recognize your overlay instantly. And if you want, comment below and I'll make a full step-by-step tutorial so you can follow along easily without wasting hours trying complicated methods.